Alright guys, today we're going to have a tutorial on how to use our Odoo system. Okay, if it loads. Let's see. We're going to use this scanner. Okay, this is the scanner. This is a QR code scanner. It's all it scans is QR code. Alright Billy, come on up here. There are two ways to do the sale. If it's a new customer, you go to contacts, you go to new, and you add them as a customer. So we're going to say add X. We're going to fill out their address information, we're going to phone number, and then we're going to add their email address. And we're going to hit save. Okay? Now you can, if the customer is present, you can go strictly to sales from this window, and it says it right here, sales.
Present locally, like a local?
Present local, yeah.
Okay.
And then you hit new. Okay? And then you start adding products to the bottom. You see where it says product barcode? You come up here, you're going to scan it. It automatically detects the serial number. See, everything matches. Same thing with this. It automatically matches. Same thing with this. It automatically matches. Now say you told the customer, hey, your price out the door is $9.50. You're going to be able to input that in here, $9.50. And the tax is going to work backwards. And then here, the sales rep, you're going to select, say Billy. And then the payment is however they paid. Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, check, card, cash. For this example, let's say cash.
If they pay with card, how do we run it with Odoo?
You run it using this machine. Using the credit card machine. As long as the state takes its money, that's all we care about.
Okay. Do we have to do anything to link this transaction to this?
Just run it as a normal
So we have to
transaction.
write down accurately on this.
Yes. We're about to run this transaction. This is a real live transaction for a company called American Air. Okay? Now, since American Air is an already registered business, we're going to go directly to sales.
Our registered customer.
Registered customer, yes. And then we're going to hit new. And then you see where it says customer, we're going to go to American Air. Okay? Now say American Air is tax exempt. You click this. You see where it says is taxable? You're going to click it. If they're tax exempt. Since they're not, we're going to hit is taxable. We're going to run this transaction live. We're going to go to add a product. And we're going to scan this. And then we're going to scan this. And then we're going to scan this.
I noticed when you scanned that second one,
Yep.
it didn't go through.
There it is. Okay. It's probably because it's a bad barcode.
So we have the serial number, but not the product.
Yeah, it's a bad barcode. See, it's...
Okay. So now what do we do? Write down the product number?
No. You can do that, yeah. But we're going to make this work. Okay. So we're going to go here, yeah. You're going to write the product model number. SAPTA 3626B3. Watch. Okay, you're going to hit OK, that's fine. Right?
Invalid QR code is fine. You just go past
No,
it?
so the reason is it's telling you, hey, I don't recognize this. We're going to put this here. CAPTA. Yeah, I'll tell you why. It shouldn't be like this. You know what? Since you're on there, keep the video on. Or you go to inventory. Okay? You're going to go to products. And then products again. And then you go to CAPTA 3626B3. Okay?
So we do have the product. Why is it not
I'll tell you
pulling
why.
that?
Okay. So to be able to make this customizable, The barcode we have as the model number. If you scan via the UPC number, it's gonna follow LIFO or FIFO. But we're not doing that now. We're doing it extremely customizable to our needs. So what that means, the barcode or UPC has to be the model number. CAPTA 3626B3. Okay?
Do all same product numbers have the same barcode? What's the barcode for?
The barcode here is like the UPC. But for the time being, whatever the barcode here is, has to be the model number.
Okay.
So we're able to get the information out of this QR code.
Okay, so like every product, if it's the same style, it'll still have different UPCs?
It would, but in our customized scenario, the barcode is always going to be the model number.
Okay.
Okay. Let me show you why these scanned, right? Let's go here. GR9S9608003BN. You're going to click here, you're going to click here, right? See? The barcode has it as a model number. Okay. Let's go to sales again. Again, American Air is an already established customer with us, so...
What happened to the last transaction? Because you didn't submit it?
I discarded it, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay, so let's do this again. Watch. See? It captured it.
Okay.
There we go.
Bring it to the camera. View.
Okay.
Next one.
We're only scanning the barcode. Okay. So now we're gonna 2061. 20 61, and then we're gonna run the taxable transaction. Sales rep, it's internal. He's just getting it at cost. Payment method, we're gonna put Zelle.
He paid taxes on this transaction?
Yeah,
Okay.
he has to, yeah. Okay. Now we pre-filled all this information, right? We have the model number, the AC, the furnace. We're gonna hit confirm. Serial number 8714 is not found. Okay.
So we don't have that product in our
inventory, exactly.
So that means we missed scanning it? What happens to our inventory if we try to do this?
So yeah, it's not gonna proceed forward. See, it stopped you. Hey, it's like, hey, this is not.
We don't
in
have
my
this
system.
product.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to receive it now. Okay.
So did you close out that tab or did
Yeah,
you
I just discarded it.
So now we have to redo that transaction.
Basically. So let's go to the inventory. Let's see, where is this? Is this really here?
Question. Are we able to keep two tabs open on Odoo at the same time?
You can if you're using your desktop, yeah.
Okay.
And okay, we're gonna go to products, inventory. We're gonna go to products. Okay, GR9S9608003BN. Okay. It's telling us there are 15 units. We couldn't get to these because, you know, the height and so on, but soon we're going to do a cleanup. For the time being, let's discuss this. All right. We're going to click this. It says 15 on hand, right? There's 15 on hand. I'm going to show you a very neat thing right now. I'm going to go to 15 on hand. And then you can click it here, and then it's going to categorize it based on... order.
Of how you scanned it?
No, just numbers wise, numerical order.
Okay.
So you see here 8713, 8715, but 8714 is missing. So it's not here. There's a very, very nice thing here. We're going to go back. See where it says more? We're going to click that. We're going to hit the serial number. This is going to be the history of this product. See that? This is a very, very nice and neat tool.
What are we doing right now? I'm lost.
So this is telling you how much we have on hand.
Okay. All right.
And we checked on hand.
Right. We don't have
and
this
it's not
serial
here.
number, right?
Now there's this very, very nice thing. You go to more. You go to lot serial numbers. This tells you the history of every scanned product of this model number. So here, you see where it says partner scanners?
Yeah.
This is what has been sold.
So why are we checking over here?
I want to see, hey, maybe it was sold to someone.
Before.
Yeah, maybe it's
So we're
in
looking
our
for
virtual location.
Okay, we're looking for the 41 serial number now.
Exactly. So this is what we have in Livonia, which is 15. And this is what we've sold already.
Can we search from here or no?
That part I haven't figured out how to do yet. But yeah, there is a way to do a history of everything. Maybe this is in our virtual warehouse.
Okay.
I think it's possibly right there. So whoever scanned it fucked up the scanning process. So we're going to click here.
Our virtual warehouse is like when you placed an order, you added it into our inventory, but we didn't physically scan it.
Or it could have been a damaged product. Or it could have been a consignment return. Or it could have been anything.
Okay.
So let's see. All right. Let me show you something here. All right, you go into here, you're going to see the history of this product, right? So let's go back here. Let's go to this product, 9411. Here it says one purchase, one sale. Okay, let's go to one sale. Who did we sell this to? Okay, to Stephen Mosser. Okay. This was a complicated transaction. I'll tell you about it some other time. This is a bad example. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, it's going to go to more, lot serial number. So let's go to this transaction. Okay, sales. So one was canceled and one was invoiced. We're going to quote Joseph. And that's how you go back and track who you actually sold the serial number to. Now, there is a different way to search strictly serial number.
So are we double booking this product to two different customers?
No. See, this was canceled. Nothing to invoice.
Yeah, okay, so this is not the 4-1?
No. I'm just letting you
1-4.
know, like, how to look at the history of this serial number. So this product, we're going to fix now. Watch. Okay. No. This is how you would receive the inventory. You go to purchase, right? So Odoo, hey, I went to purchase. I purchased product X. And this is the way to purchase it. You go to vendor, Goodman. You go to add a product. And then we're going to do a serial number. Boom. Oh, we have to type it in, I think.
Why do we still have to type it in?
Because, you know what? I'll tell you why. We're gonna... Because this only retracts the serial number from here, okay? So we only use this barcode for an actual sales order. We use this barcode to receive using the app that we have. Okay? I'll tell you which app we use. GR9S960803BN. If I had the product barcode, I would have been able to scan it. You know what I mean? So this product is not registered with this. And we don't have this. The product serial, the product barcode. The Stripe took it. You remember?
Okay.
So that's why we don't have this barcode.
Can you quickly tell us what's serial numbers, what's barcodes, and what's model numbers?
Let's look at this. This is the serial number. This is the year it was made, the month, the day, and so on. So this was year in 24, July, 11th of July. Now this is the model number, and this is the QR code.
Okay.
Yep. All right. So now how many quantities am I receiving? 1. We're going to hit confirm order. Okay. Now I got to receive the product. Okay. And now you see these three little things right here. We're going to click that. And then a lot serial number. 24093.
Is it mandatory to put like a PO, or can we just put in the lot number and that's it?
Yeah, just the lot number, yeah. So whenever we do it on the app, the inventory receiving app, and which again I'll show you shortly, I'll tell you how we do this. Now, hey, you gotta validate it. It's done. Now it's been received. Now let's go back to inventory. Let's double check. Let's create the bill. Confirm. Date. Bill date today. Confirm. Register payment. This is like us. Completely, to us, this is, hey, sending this bill to Goodman, go ahead and give me this product is essentially what we're telling them. But we're not, you know? So we're going to go back to inventory. We're going to see, did it actually come into the product? Okay, so GR9S9608003BN.
Are we able to double book the same product as received in the warehouse?
No,
It won't give us the option.
because you cannot have a duplicate serial number.
Okay.
See, now you see the first time I tried scanning using the barcode, it gives you this.
What's CYP, by the way? I don't see that on our sticker.
This is what you see inside of here. This is all like
Okay.
so we need to delete this. How do we delete this? We'll worry about it some other time. But you see now how it says 16 on hand? It was 15 just a few minutes ago, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna click it. And we're gonna see on hand, and we're gonna clean it up, and here it is, 8714. Perfect. All right, let's go back here. This is my favorite thing. Lot serial numbers. We're gonna click that. We're gonna double check. Warehouse 1 in Livonia has, oh, boom, there it is. It tells you the history of the time this was scanned. How soon we're gonna have users, who scanned it, who did it, everything. Okay, this is who we actually sold to our customers. Okay, so now let's go back to doing the transaction again. We're gonna go to sales, new. Let's go back to quotations, canceled. Okay, we're gonna go back to quotations. Okay. We're gonna set it to quotation again, okay? We're gonna delete this. We're gonna go here. We're gonna, boom, done. Now this is gonna be very important, you guys do. So we're gonna hit confirm. Delivery. You have to tell Odoo, go ahead, validate. Hey, these are the correct serial numbers. These are, this is what I actually scanned. It was me who scanned this. This is not an error. This is the correct barcode I scanned. Maybe you had 3 barcodes that are next to each other that are the same. You gotta tell Odoo, hey, validate. Go ahead, withdraw this from inventory. Okay, go back to quotation. Okay, now I gotta create the invoice. Regular invoice. We gotta confirm the order now, finally. Did he pay me? No. So I'm just gonna keep this. I'm not gonna register the payment. But if he did pay me, I'll just do the registration of the payment of however he paid me, not create. But this time I'm gonna say he did pay me. I hit create payment. It's gonna say in payment. So if he did not pay me, I can just skip the payment part, and then I get a little mini report. These people owe me this money.
Okay, so right now you made a transaction that pulled out of your inventory, and basically you're invoicing the customer, but you have to actually, so after you confirm delivery, then you have to register the payment.
Confirm and validate delivery. Very, very important. Hey, Annie, this is going to be super crucial to keeping this correct.
Okay.
Let's go back and see if it actually pulled.
So, but the very last step is to register the payment.
Yes. Now, this is when a customer is here. You register the payment. How do they pay you? This is the time, and think of it as like the drawer.
How do we send the customer the receipt after you register the payment?
Here, let's do that. Send by email.
Can we text it?
That's my next step. Yeah.
So right now, just email.
Mm-hmm. And then look at this neat thing on the invoices, actually. It has the serial numbers. It has everything on there. Now, Odoo works. It can be in offline mode. So your next door, say for example, see, has the serial numbers, all that information.
Okay.
If you're next door, there's no internet, you can continue to do what you're doing, scanning, and then as soon as you get some internet.
Okay. Is there any more steps to this process?
No.
Okay, so.
Yeah, but I want to double check again, because we're learning how to do this. Did it actually pull this? GR9S9608003BN.
Okay, you want to go back
Boom!
to the
It pulled.
history.
Amazing,
Right.
amazing, perfect.
And if you want to go, make sure. Where do you go?
Go on hand.
And
Okay.
then what's this
Okay.
one?
Go ahead. Click this. The lot serial number.
To sort it.
Yeah. Okay. It's no longer here. It makes sense because we just scanned it. Go back. Click on this little thing. The numbers. Okay. Go to more. Go to lot serial numbers. Okay. Beautiful. You're gonna see it was just scanned out. 8714. It's right here.
Oops.
8714. Go ahead, click it. Okay? It's telling you, hey, this has been purchased by someone. By who? Click on sale or purchase, whatever you want. Okay, see? It was sold. No. Purchase is when you purchase it from the factory. But when you sell, like, who did you sell it to? Click on sale. Okay, see, you sold it to American Air. This is the order number. This is it. It's fully invoiced. Everything. Click it. Okay, this has all the information of the day that this was scanned with. So these are the other serial numbers that this was scanned with.
Okay. Any closing statements?
That's it. It's gonna take a learning curve. This was a big issue. Before we were going LIFO, FIFO. Now with this QR code, it defies LIFO, FIFO, and it actually pulls from the inventory.
Okay.
Or it wasn't.
Yeah, so we could pull any product off the shelf and just sell.
Exactly.
Okay.
No restrictions.
Thank you.